So what do you get when you mash up knotted web tight and trapezoid twists? Well, you get Celtic roses, or at least that's one of the things that you can get. There's actually a whole variety of trapezoid tilings that you could use that have the same threefold rotationally symmetric loop of 6 triangles in the center. Now, these triangles are combining with the trapezoid, so that's half of the hexagon from knotted web tight. And they form this rose structure, these 3 trapezoids around a triangle, which is a double depth closed triangle, yet we have this open hole because our trapezoids are pulling the pleat away from the closed hole center. Now, why did I gesture at this one? That's because this tessellation is actually exactly the same again on the back, which I feel personally is super cool. Like, who wouldn't fold an isoarea tessellation if you have the choice?